welcome back to the channel Explore Not Expert, and today we're going to be exploring a San Francisco 3D model that we're going to build today. And it comes along with some LED lights. We could put where we bought this in the link in the description, and let's get started. To start off, we got our San Francisco right here. Let me just show you up detailed, and you can tell how thick this is going to be and how long this is going to take. But in the end, it will look really good. And you can tell they have like these little like fold marks. Like you can see those like different lines there. I guess like that's where you would turn. And also here we have our LEDs which we're gonna add in. And I'm pretty sure the instructions are in there too. And so let's get started. Also, in case you're wondering like what country I bought this in, I actually went to USA for winter break. And during that time, I got this as a Christmas present. So let's get started. So now we're going to open up our San Francisco to actually build it. And as you can see, it's case. Let's see. This will take some time. Right, we'll just cut this up. Alright. Ooh, ASMR. Right, there we go. Ooh. You hear that? It's rubber. Oh. Look at this. It's like 2 layers. No wonder it was so thick. Oh my gosh, there's a car on this side. They include cars in this? Whoa. Yeah, see, here it tells you it's San Francisco. Yeah, oh, that's so cool. Well, that's cool. Look at all these different ones. There's this one. And look, like, this is cool, dude. Really cool. And so basically what you do is you pop these out of the, like, thingy. So you just push these until they pop out. So yeah, let's get started with the LED light opening now. Alright, what is this? Instructions. This is what that is. Alright, so this is what the ending product will look like. Right, there's some colors in there, you see. And yeah, I'm gonna have fun with this. Golden Gate Bridge. Oh, and includes the Golden Gate Bridge. And some bridge. Assembly instructions. Aha. Move the parts following the instructions to the truck. Right, let's start. Okay. A. So it's basically what it's telling us to do on the instructions is we're gonna have to finish these. And once we have to get the pieces, and once we get the pieces, you know how at the start, like they're labeled. Like I show. So here you see those numbers. That's their labels, and you see here they show you the number, and so how to like what numbers you have to use and how to fix them. And so that's how I'm gonna solve this. All right, now let's get to time lapse. Have 3 skyscrapers, and then there's this like little garden sort of area with some bushes, right? They're double-sided, by the way. And then there's this little neighborhood living right underneath this huge 3 skyscrapers. This one's the tallest, by the way. That's a helicopter pad. And over here we have this little house, yeah. And we have this little compass thing along with 2 seals. Then we have the Golden Gate Bridge, which comes out of a building. Don't know why. And then there's those tiny little cars. That's our blue Ferrari and our taxi. over here on an island, we have our hotel, I think. They'll just call it a hotel. We have our label of it here, the Golden Gate Bridge. Over there is a mountain, some lights. And over here we have our yacht, which is speeding, dude. And overall, I think this is a really good thing. If you guys want to buy it, go ahead. There's also a bunch of other ones. There's like Paris, there's Dubai, and San Francisco, which is this one. Paris and Dubai are also LED'd, but then they just don't have any LEDs, which is like Moscow, New York, and London. So if you guys want to get any of them, I think you can just get them on Amazon. It says here it's City Line, so I guess you guys could get one of that. This is New York, and by the way, New York does not have LEDs. And my cousin's sister Aksha, she made this, and it includes the Statue of Liberty. It includes the Empire State Building, World Trade Center, and the Brooklyn Bridge. So guys, now I'm going to show you the lights of the San Francisco model. And we actually have this little control here. I just put batteries in it. So let's turn it on. 3, 2, 1. Isn't that cool? And here's the lights in like bright with like a light on. So it doesn't look that bright compared to night. So if you want to show this off, best like turn off the lights because it looks a lot better. But that's your choice. This project was a fun thing to do. It was hard, but it was fun. And if you guys want to buy it, again, link in the description. And overall, this was pretty fun. Thanks for watching Explorers, and keep exploring.